Hi there, welcome to AnnEvolving. This morning I'm showing you how I blow dry my hair and use a round brush in 15 minutes to get an at-home blowout look. This is my new routine. I have a new shampoo I'm using, I have a new conditioner I'm using, so I speed through it pretty quickly and I show you the timestamps on the clock so that you can see it is actually 15 minutes from start to finish. I'll show you the products I'm using and I'll tell you a couple of tips that I think are very helpful in using the tools and in hair care over 50. Stay tuned. If you're like me and you are over 50 and your hair is maybe thinning or it just doesn't look as healthy as it used to, it's lost the shine, it's lost its smoothness. That is exactly what I have been experiencing. I will link down below the new shampoo and conditioner that I have been using. It's not new, it's new to me. It's been amazing. It's like I can't believe this is a drugstore brand and it's so nice. And I'm sorry I don't have it here to hold up on camera, but it's a mess. It's just cleaner to put it in the, oh, I'll put a picture on the screen. Okay, I'm gonna try and go through this quickly and I'm gonna try and just share with you how quickly this routine is. So it's gonna be minimally edited so that you can actually see how this goes very fast. I used the Bumble & Bumble Invisible Hair Oil Primer and Heat Protectant. The next thing I used, it's a 10. I'm still using the same prep ingredients. Go down my part and I hit right here, which is the parts of my hair that are receding. Once that's done, I start drying it on the cool setting. I use the button here, so let me plug that in. Usually I let my hair dry till about 80%, and then I will come in and use the blow dryer to finish it off, and I'll use the cool shot to finish it. The reason I'm doing the whole head of hair is because it's the morning, it's before I'm going to work. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna finish drying my hair and then I'll be right back with you so that you don't have to sit here and watch it all. So I'll be back in just a bit. All right. Oh my gosh. Every time I do this, if I do it in the morning and I have makeup on, my hair just feels like it's sticking to my face in every little crevice and cranny. All right, so here we go, brush this way to keep the hair from pulling out. It's about 90% dry now. So now I'm gonna switch on over to round brush. And just so you know, it's been 3 minutes and 15 seconds since I stopped the clock because I wanted to show you that this is truly from start to finish. The most important thing is to take a small section of hair to make sure it goes around the barrel. You start rolling it out this way and kind of going straight up with your hair. And to give it some volume, you'll even go against your hair. So I think a lot of people use this and they just pull it through like that. And once you feel that the hair is drying and you can feel it as you go, you start spinning it. And you spin it and you spin it and you spin it. And what happens is it smooths your hair. So as you can see, I'll try and take a picture so that you can see this when we're done. This is what I'm starting with. If I finish brushing it through, this is what it looks like. So once I start doing this, you're gonna start to see very quickly the difference between, say, this side of my hair and this side of my hair. I'm going to speed through this so that you can watch the transformation. I hope this is at least a good demonstration of the two sides of the hair and how this one, it feels softer, it feels silky. So I hope that helps. Now that you see this, I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. I wanna share with you how I finish this off to look kind of like a salon blowout, but right at home, and you can do it every morning. Hang on. Okay, we're at 11 minutes, and I just finished doing my hair. I blew it dry, and then I used a round brush. So I would say 15 minutes for the hair blow dry and the round brush, and I'm good to go. I mean, 15 minutes? I didn't really realize that the round brush had to be used in a certain way. I was using it and getting about 50% improvement or result. I liked the result I was getting, let's just say. But now that I've truly been using the technique, my hair is just very glossy and smooth to the touch. I love this shampoo and conditioner. To the touch, my hair feels so soft. I'm telling you what, this is a very inexpensive drugstore option, and it works beautifully. I am interested to see if you'll try it and let me know what you think. It's a true gem. The other thing is this Bumble and Bumble, the hairdresser's invisible oil. It's a wonderful heat protectant, and I think it leaves a nice shine on my hair without looking oily. And then the last thing is the It's a 10. So these are the two products that I use on my hair every day. These are the only two styling products I'm using right now, so that makes it super simple. And I also want to point out why I like this tool so much. I can take my hand right here and just spin it like this, and the cord wraps like this. So it's very easy. I don't have to stop and reposition it. And it's so easy to hold around my hands. My wrists don't have to do much. And I say that because, I don't know, once I had babies, my wrists got really sore. But I mean, this has been since I was 24. So, and it just gets worse as you age. But this makes it super simple if you're arthritic or if you have weak wrists or hands or anything like that. There goes my dryer. This is the final result. I know how important hair is for women. It can make you feel good no matter if it's short or if it's long. You know, it's one of the ways that we like to express ourselves. One of the things I think ages me is looking dry, and that goes for my hair too. So anything that can make my hair look sleek and smooth and healthy makes me feel a little bit more healthy looking. So I really hope this helps you today. I have a hair care playlist. If you're interested, I'll put it right here. You can watch some of those as well. Glad to see you here. Hope to see you again. Thank you for watching.